But more importantly, what are we doing to celebrate 10K? Drop your city and state in the comments down below. We're gonna pick a random person and I'm coming there. Wow. So it looks like I'm coming to Texas. I have no idea where Bedford is. I'll look it up on a map. Rhett, look forward to meeting you. And yeah, coming to Texas. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Texas. You guys probably never thought I'd come meet some random guy from the internet, but here he is.
Random guy.
It's random guy. We're walking into a Goodwill looking to see if we can find some stuff to, flip online for a profit, hopefully. He's done better than me already. We've been to a couple of yard sales, but I'm also on limited space, so see what we can find. So looking at polo shirts, and Rhett says no to Travis Matthew, and I agree because that's not crazy enough. The crazy patterns are the ones that sell, but price-wise, $549, not bad. Of course, there's a Walmart shirt for $549 as well. T-shirts, $549, and then a T-shirt for $229. So it looks like prices are all over the place. We'll see. So just found this Travis Matthew shirt, cool pattern, new tags, $9.49, kind of pricey. The thing is, somebody embroidered it. They kind of messed up on the supposed to say Lake Tahoe, but there's one listed, 4 sold, and they're selling 80, 80, 60 at auction, 42 at auction. Does that hurt it bad enough to make it not worth it?
See a manager for a list of still sell it for 25 even at that. So if that's enough return.
But 10, maybe if I was here.
Yeah.
So if you want it, go for it.
10 to 25 on a maybe is probably a no.
On a yeah, it might take forever to sell too. All right, gotta pass. That stinks though. It really does.
Yeah.
I'm getting this though. Peter Millar, older one, made in Korea, 2017, U.S. Open, Erin Hills. Pretty cool. $549. All right, first thrift store in Texas. Peter Millar polo. I forgot you guys have tax here, sales tax. Yeah. So it's $594. Probably honestly wasn't worth picking up and transporting back to South Carolina. But Rhett did good. He got some cool shorts. Not like cold, but like cool. K-U-H-L. $429 plus tax.
Plus tax, so just under 5.
So into 30? Probably?
Probably, yeah.
Not bad. All right, just left second glance thrift store. I don't know where I was at, but didn't find anything there. At Texas Thrift now, and this place is absolutely huge. Just walked in, haven't found anything yet, but you never know. They've got a nice selection of polos here, but the pricing is all over the place. Like that's $2.99. Polo Ralph Lauren, that was $10. Nicola, $10. So nice stuff, but a little pricey. It is half off day for orange, so maybe we can find some orange tags. There's one, $250. Well, this might be the most Texas thing ever. Wrangler shirt, pearl snaps, really cool shirt, new at tags. I honestly thought this thing would sell for 50 or 60 bucks, but I looked it up, and they're only like 30, 40. You don't want $13.99, so not worth it. Second store in a row, I'm walking out empty-handed, but Rhett found a pair of, I guess technically I found them, but a pair of Nobles for $14.99, and they were orange tags, so half price, so Nobles for $8.12 after tax. Not bad at all.
They are size 15.
Oh, I didn't realize that. Well, maybe Shaq will need some Nobles. Who knows? All right, check this out. Best find of the day so far, the Ping Hoofer 2-bag for $549, and that's an easy $100 on eBay. I'll probably sell it locally though.
I'll do either one.
For 60. Yeah, whichever one pays the most. Yeah. But yeah, Ping Hoofer 2, $5.49. Great deal. All right, so just found this low Alpine Skyline 55 bag, really good condition. Unfortunately, there's no price on there whatsoever. So Rhett's going to take it up there, take a chance. Leave a comment down below and let me know how much you think Goodwill is going to charge for this bag. What's your guess, Rhett? You're from here. You know better than I do.
It could go either way. They could just price it at $5, or they could call a manager and they're going to price it at $29.
Ooh, I'm going to say $9.99. Okay. We'll see what happens.
$9.99, I'll buy it either way. I might keep it.
It's a nice bag.
Yeah.
Well, I'm surprised. $5.99.
Absolutely shocked.
Deal of the day. I think she just liked you.
Maybe. I was going to compliment her hair.
Oh well, it was multicolored. I liked her hair, honestly. Awesome. Deal of the day. $5.99 and $5.49 for the pink hoofer bag. Crazy deals.
$5.49.
Brett just came up on the vintage. Got to be vintage, doesn't it? Wrangler Pearl Snap, $5.49. Can't beat it. It's almost nice and heavy duty too.
Yeah.
Finally got something. $20. The Ping Pal 4 BQ putter, $5.99. Sells for between $60 and $100. They're kind of all over the place. The Ping Karsten TR Answer 2, that one sells for $100 all the time. And Rhett's favorite club, the PSP Golf Little One, $5.99. There's 3 listed, 18 have sold, and they sell for anywhere between $45 and $80. And then Rhett found the cool Medicus, you guys already know, with the hinge, but it's I've never seen that head before, and it's a demo. Where does it say? There it is, Demo Club. So pretty cool. I think that might be the best find, most unique for sure. $9.99 on that one. So heck of a score at this good one. Wanted to mention these golf clubs real quick because I kind of thought maybe they'd be a pain to ship back to South Carolina. I wasn't really sure it was worth it. So I decided to go to Play It Again Sports and see what they would offer me. And we're talking probably $200 in value in these golf clubs. Play It Again Sports offered me $40. Like honestly, I thought 80 or 100 would be fair. Only paid 20, turn it into quick cash. I thought that'd be pretty good. But yeah, they offered me $40. Didn't think that was great. So I decided to leave them with Rhett, let him sell them. And he's already sold 2. So that was definitely a pretty good find. And this was Friday. So after a quick break from thrifting and checking into my hotel, we actually met back up later that night at a local brewery and talked some reselling amongst other things. Got to meet another reselling couple, Don and Shauna. Thanks for coming out. Really appreciate it. Great meeting you guys. Hung out there for a little bit. Of course, I had to get my In-N-Out because we don't have In-N-Out, and In-N-Out is better than Whataburger. I said it. You can leave me hate notes in the comments if you want to, but either way, of course, the next day, Saturday, yard sales, and we decided to go to one neighborhood yard sale. To me, it was like a mega neighborhood. Like we seriously spent half a day there. In Texas, it's probably just a regular neighborhood. But like I said, we spent half a day there and went to yard sale after yard sale after yard sale after yard sale. And it was kind of looking bleak, to be honest with you. But after several yard sales, we finally found some really cool stuff. How much is your book?
Books are $1 each.
$1.
Absolutely.
So.
It's hard to find many things.
Right.
Thank you. Have a good day.
There you go. Thank you.
Oh.
I got the book.
Got it? Okay.
Thank you.
I mean, did you sit on that? Sit on that?
Let me ask you on that. Sorry.
No worries.
Oh, where's she at?
Yeah, it's got the night shot. It's a good one.
As long as the tape ejects.
Right.
Seems like a lot of those.
I have the same problem. But even for parts, you're not gonna lose money.
Yeah, not a 10.
He said 30.
30?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't want to get in trouble.
Oh, I understand that.
Oh, God.
All right, so 30 with the bag.
Yeah.
You do 35 for both?
No.
No? For,
I had 10 for the toolbox.
that's all right. I do want the toolbox because it's nice and big.
Yeah.
And mine is full,
I
so.
had a guy offer me $2 yesterday. I'm like, no.
$2?
You can get more than that for it in scrap.
You mind if I unplug this? And
No, go
I'm
ahead.
gonna take it.
Get in there. I'm sorry about the noise. Good morning. How are you?
Too early for you guys to be asking us to go down. We just opened like an hour ago. Thank you so much. This is burger sauce, so that's it.
Got it too. How much is your dog fence?
For $20 for that.
20? How about this guy? 20 on that too. Would you do 30 on these two? Get them out your way?
About 35.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean that's the plan. If it doesn't sell here, we're going to next online. At the end of the day, I might go down a little bit. Y'all here at the beginning.
There we go. How about these?
You should start marking things, Mama. You have the labels for it. I've got the labels for I know. You tell me, I'll make some for you.
Don't know if you saw that.
I didn't.
This here.
Right.
Those are work with the collars. Though I guess those probably work.
Yeah, I was just looking for the replacement collars.
Goodness. Okay, that's.
Sorry.
20?
It have to be her. I don't know her stuff.
About 15.
Hey, Mom.
Okay.
So this sale, in my opinion, was the best one of the trip. We did keep going and found a few other things, like Rhett bought a few golf clubs. I think he paid $5 a piece, and they should sell for around $30 a piece. I grabbed a few head covers, and so did he, for $1 a piece. Found this Disney sweatshirt. I think I paid $5 for it, and it should sell if I sell it, if my daughter doesn't commandeer it. Should sell for around 20 or 30. So pretty good trip in all, but like I said, this sale was the best. And the little pet safe fence thing is already sold for $115. It was actually missing the little flags that come with it, but the collar itself had never been used. So it was a new other kind of deal. And then this other thing is a handheld programmer for a golf cart. And the only reason that I haggled with the lady at all was because that thing has a horrible sell-through rate. There's like 350 listed and 40 something have sold. So it's a horrible sell-through rate. Thought maybe it would never sell, but with those comps, I also thought maybe it was worth a shot for $15. Well, sure enough, I actually listed it a little less than the few sold comps, and it already sold. Sold for $265 plus shipping. So definitely a great return on my $30 spent between those two things that sold. And that kind of helped pay for the trip as well. And what a great trip it was. I actually snuck out to Texas a few days before this, and I was able to see one of my high school best friends. We just kind of hung out. We did get to play around the golf together, had a blast. It was also great meeting Rhett. He was gracious enough to show me around to all of his thrifting hotspots. Took me out to yard sales. We certainly had a blast. It was great meeting you. And that's honestly one of my favorite things about having this YouTube channel is all the cool people I get to meet, like Rhett. And honestly, I had so much fun. I kind of want to do this again. I kind of want to pick a random person to come see. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you do that. Maybe we'll do it at 20,000 or whenever I have enough money to do it again. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.